4 returning champs are ready to go cart to cart in the market. Let's meet them. Now, first up, we got Salvatore Boscarello. Next up, we got Mama Meg Heriford. Then we got Crista Luedtke, a wine country restaurateur. And we could not have this competition without Darion Williams, an athlete turned New Orleans sous chef. So I thought I would start out with something you can all hit out of the park. Breakfast. Your best breakfast. Feel good about that?
Sorta.
I have a go-to list of some of my key ingredients that I think that you need. You know what this game is called? This is called grocery list. You have to use all 4. Can't use just 3 or 2 or 1 or go. Oh.
For me, a best breakfast is eggs Benedict, but I want good amount of protein.
Ooh. My best breakfast is migas. It's a Latin-inspired egg dish. I run straight to dairy for eggs and grab some creme fraiche while I'm there.
I figure out, well, let me make a deconstructed, open-faced sandwich. And I choose focaccia. The bread is so soft and it takes on a lot of flavor.
I'm an international guy. I've traveled around the world. So I want to do eggs in 2 styles, the English traditions and the influence of Southeast Asia.
1 minute, guys.
So I started working with the kumquats to start assembling my mimosa. And not being familiar with it, I didn't want to use kumquats anywhere else in the dish.
How you doing?
Pretty good. Just trying to pull it all together. I got my kumquat juice, add a little fresh basil, and finish it off with a little bit of champagne.
You feel good about this?
I'm feeling good. I think once it comes together, it's gonna be out of control.
It's gonna be tight.
10 seconds.
Come on, be pretty, be pretty.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop working. No. Welcome back. First up is Chef Darion.
What I have for you guys today is a grilled focaccia sandwich with a little bit of pine nut spread.
Darion, my egg is just cooked beautifully, and you gave justice to the pine nuts. It's a tough ingredient, but I feel like you used it really well.
Next up, Chef Crista. What do you got for us?
I've got a little spin on eggs Benedict, California style.
Beautiful plate, great presentation here.
Up next, Mama Meg, what do you got for us?
Migas is a dish that I make at the diner, and the kumquat salsa really was the star of this show.
The kale fritter is interesting to me. What a great way to use frozen kale, which is a difficult ingredient to use.
Chef Salvatore is up next.
This dish, it's an English breakfast with an Asian connection.
Salvatore, I will basically buy anything you say because you say it so beautifully, and not that I understood any of it, but I love what you did with the ingredients.
The chef that will be checking out will be Chef Darion. All right, congratulations, champs. Let's put you into round 2. I want you to make a hearty sandwich and a side. Meat, dairy, condiments, it's all off limits.
I'm not thrilled. There's gonna be stuff that you want that you can't have.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Via.
Andiamo.
I'm making a curried tofu sandwich with a bright slaw of cabbage and crisp apple with fresh herbs.
I love a hot beef sandwich, but the meat aisle's off limits to me.
So when I sit in the tuna, white asparagus, so I went Spanish, you know? Opa! Okay. I have to make sure I make a side. I don't have time to do fry from scratch, so I grabbed frozen fry, and then I incorporated mixed Italian herbs and smoked Maldon salt.
45 seconds.
I'm realizing I don't have enough tofu because I realize I've only grabbed 1 package. I don't have time to cook more. You said hearty, right? So I'm chopping up my portobello, try to stretch everything around there. I want to try to make it look perfect on the plate and look hearty.
10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop working. All right, judges, game 2 of our Tournament of Champions. First up, Chef Mama Meg, what do you got for us?
This is a rye whiskey canned ham Monte Cristo.
You tried to make a faux cheese, and I love it.
Up next, Chef Salvatore. What do you have for us, Chef?
Okay, I'm presenting a sandwich with tuna, the white asparagus.
Chef Salvatore, it feels very Italian. It feels like it speaks to who you are. That olive oil tuna is so beautiful with that bite of arugula.
Up next, Chef Crista.
I have a curried tofu ciabatta sandwich, a little bit of portobello and the avocado.
If someone didn't tell me that there wasn't meat in this sandwich, I would never know.
One chef will check out, the other will go to round 3. The chef that will be checking out will be Chef Salvatore. Chefs, this is the game that will decide who's gonna go home and who gets a shot at an encore shopping spree worth up to $20,000 and gets to be in our final Grand Champion tournament.
Up top.
So let's do this right. I want you to make the judges a decadent dinner. We're talking sparing no expense, just wow the judges.
That's it?
3, 2, 1.
Cassoulet is the most decadent casserole dish I know of.
So I am gonna make seared duck breast over lentils with braised Swiss chard. I taste the lentils, they're still too al dente. I add some more liquid. So I think if I just finish them on the stovetop, I've got enough time. I think I'll get it there. It's gonna be really close.
Chefs, we have 5 minutes left in the competition.
So I am making a compote with cherries and blackberries and habaneros, and then I realized I gotta get these olives in there. So I start crushing a few olives in my hand, toss them in there to sort of just add a briny complexity to it.
90 seconds.
The moment of truth. I open the lid. I look inside, and it is amazing. There's a lot of fat in those meats that were inside the pressure cooker. So I'm hoping that the sauce isn't too oily.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
Come on, Meg.
2,
Come on. Get it on there, Meg. Get it,
One.
get it, 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 get it.
Stop looking.
Wow.
All right, judges, here we are, game 3 of our Tournament of Champions. First up, Chef Crista, what do you got for us?
My version of a decadent duck dinner. Some lentils with some fresh herbs, a little bit of butter, some sauteed greens.
So, Crista, one of the most beautiful things in the world is duck fat, you know? Put it on fries, put it in my hand, you know? I mean, and your duck, it's just that marriage of like nicely brown duck fat.
Meganator, what'd you make us?
Everyone knows cassoulet takes all day, but for me, it is the ultimate decadent dinner.
Cassoulet can take 12 hours. I mean, you really played a trick on yourself with this one.
Yeah.
But that trick worked out for you.
So, the chef that will be checking out will be Mama Meg. All right, Crista, you know the drill. 2 minutes on the clock, 10 items on the list. Each item you put in the cart's $2,000. You start down at 1. I don't need to explain all this to you. Here we go. White onions, aisle 1, and we start in 3, 2, 1, go!
Yes,
Yeah!
Fly out the gate. I know exactly where the onions are. Boom, 2,000.
Oh, she's quick. Jamaican hot sauce.
Come on,
Jamaican hot
Jamaican.
sauce.
Scoot over, Guy. Here it comes.
There we go.
Guy meets Ellen. Right here.
Aisle 3, kitchen twine. There you go.
We're on a roll, we're moving fast. There's no time to read. I know pineapple cake mix is yellow. I'm just throwing them in
5,
the cart.
4, 3,
Get it.
2,
And then all of a sudden, out of nowhere,
1. Slam dunk!
there's like the baby Jesus launches me this alley-oop of a pineapple cake mix, and in my cart it goes. Combined total, $30,000. This is gonna go a long way for us doing the much-needed improvements that we need to do both at the hotel and at my restaurant.